AI is everywhere, but it's still mostly controlled by a few giant players. They own the infrastructure, they own the models, and they're deciding on the future on their own terms. Today, we're going to talk about a different path. A path that puts trust, transparency, and control back in the hands of the users. We're talking about Agentic AI and why Europe needs to build an economy around it. Let's be honest, most of today's AI runs through about 5 or 6 companies. They control the compute, the models, and the access. Want to use GPT-4? Well, you'll probably go through OpenAI. Want cloud-based AI services? Well, you'll probably go through Amazon or Google. But here's the problem. Your data is stored in someone else's cloud, your models are hosted and trained in a foreign country, and your compliance risk, well, that depends on rules outside of your control. This is especially risky for Europe because European companies are bound by strict regulations like the GDPR and the soon-to-be EU AI Act. And the tools they're using, well, they weren't built with European values in mind. But something is starting to change because instead of using one big AI model to do everything, companies are beginning to use Agentic AI. These are small, focused tools that act independently. These AI agents can plan and execute tasks, interact with other agents, make decisions autonomously, learn and adapt over time. Imagine your business has one agent that onboards new employees, one that analyzes your competitors' tweets, and one that generates your PowerPoint deck before the meeting even begins. Each agent does one thing and does it well, and when you link them together, you get powerful modular automation that's more secure, explainable, and flexible. This is the foundation of the agentic economy, and it's predicted to be an 800 billion euro industry. And Europe has a unique opportunity here, not to copy the centralized systems of Silicon Valley, but to lead with its own values. Here's what that means in practice. Data stays under local control, agents are transparent and verifiable, users own their own identity, payments and logs are traceable, and compliance is built in, not bolted on. Europe can turn regulation into a feature and not a friction point. But to do that, it needs the right infrastructure. And that's where Sokosumi comes in. Sokosumi is a decentralized marketplace for AI agents. Think of it like Fiverr, but for AI agents. So instead of hiring a freelancer, you'll be hiring a smart, agentic coworker. And right now you can hire an AI agent to generate videos from text, to run a trend analysis across X and blogs, use an agent that scans your content and predicts what viewers will emotionally respond to. You can even get a real-time heat map prediction for your ad or your thumbnail before you post it. If you're a developer, you can upload your own agent, set your own price, get paid automatically, essentially building a business around the tools you already use. All of this runs on the Sumi suite. Kodosumi executes the agents, Masumi handles identity and payments, and Sokosumi is the user-friendly front end. It's private, it's EU compliant, and most importantly, it's live right now. It's about giving European businesses a way to build with AI without compromising on their values. And if Europe doesn't act now, it risks becoming dependent on foreign systems that don't care about local rules, ethics, or long-term sustainability. But if Europe builds the agentic economy in the right way, Europe can lead the world in trust-first AI infrastructure. So head over to Sokosumi today and try it out for yourself. If you sign up today, you'll get 100 euros free of credits to play around and try out all the current AI agents that are available.